Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, we have a 2017 Nissan Rogue, so this will be a fun one. This is one of those known issues with the BCM to where when you add a key, when you program keys, you possibly can brick the car. But we are at a tow yard, a repo yard, so they have no keys, so the car is essentially a brick now anyway. So no real risk here. If it bricks, it bricks. I already explained it to the guy. He said do it. They obviously need a key so they can get this thing running and sell it. So kind of excited to see what happens here. The Autel and I believe the Smart Pro will bring up, it'll pull the BCM number and tell you the if it's on the bad list. I've done a ton of these cars and never had one go badly. And the main selling point to get around the danger of the bricking is to tell people if it's an all keys lost situation, they might as well take the risk because the car to them is essentially a brick anyway. Might as well try it rather than towing it to the dealership where it could happen anyway. Would happen either way. If it was going to happen, it's going to happen to them too. So might as well give it a shot. Just make sure they know the risk and it's not your fault. So with control unit, remote control learning, smart key learning. As every other Nissan, it's going to delete all the keys, so you have to have all keys that belong to the car with you. Yes. Hazards on. It is too hot to leave the door shut. Oh, I guess this wasn't on the list. Huh. Alright. So we're going to put my key on the start switch. Should beep and turn on in a minute here. Press once and put my key on. Whoa, wipers are on. The immobilizer light went out. Ignition back off. We are good. No, we're just making the one. Same thing. Push the button, hold your key to it, turns on, beeps. Turn it off. As you can see, my remote is now working. And we are done. See if this thing will start. Fired right up. No, it didn't. Well, that a gas. That is a them problem. Like I said, this is a repo car. Doesn't need to run for me. I just need to get this remote working, car to turn on. It's good to go. Thought this was going to be the danger of bricking Rogue, but I guess it wasn't. But like I said, explain the danger to the customer, particularly in an all keys lost situation. They're usually going to go for it.